paper bin and click on and off button to locate the paper gap. Connect the app via Bluetooth. Table template can be detected automatically after successful connection. Double-click text to edit. Set the copy number and density according to your needs. Click Barcode or QR code and double-click to edit. Click Scan to get barcode and a QR code. Click Image to insert a picture from the phone for printing. Slide right and choose Logo Material. There is a variety of logos. Click Intelligent and choose Image Recognition to recognize the text in the image and print. Choose Voice Recognition to convert speech to text and print. Import Excel tables. Prepare the table of the product information in advance. Click Insert Excel. Then share the table to NIIMBOT app to insert the table. Also, the table can be inserted from QQ and WeChat. Have better layout by text alignment.